All right, guys, we're standing just outside of Compass Cove Resort, as you can see with that sign right there. Yes, there are multiple buildings out here. I think there are 3 different buildings. This right here is the registration building. It's kind of in the middle. Then you got another big tower right here. Absolutely. And then next door you have the Holiday Sands South. You can kind of see the name right there. And then, of course, you do have the, let's see how they call it now. They've changed the name a few times. I know it's the Holiday Sands, but it might be the Holiday Sands North. They call it something different. I forgot exactly. On a little bit further down, I'm pretty sure you have a hotel. And let's just see what's down the other way. All right, we got the Paradise Resort. That's that blue building right there. And then you got the Grand Atlantic, which is that building right there. So that pretty much sums it up. Now, there is a parking deck, as you can see, right here for the Compass Cove. There is another parking deck just underneath right here for the Compass Cove. And, of course, some on-site amenities. Let's get into that registration office and check it out. Now, guys, Matt Freese, in his investor interview, dropped a bomb on us. April through September is peak season. Peak of the peak, June, July, and August. You should make enough money on your oceanfront condo to pay all of the operating expenses, including the principal and interest, for the entire year. The other 9 months are pure profit. You got to watch that interview. Now, guys, oh, there we go. They redid everything in here, and it is absolutely stunning. Look at this registration office. Beautiful flooring, as you can see. Really cool light fixtures. It is gorgeous. And of course, Compass Cove. Cool little map of Myrtle Beach. I get calls and emails every day from investors just like you looking to make their move into the Myrtle Beach market. They want to invest in short-term vacation rental properties. They want to invest in oceanfront condos. They want to know where the best deals are in our market. Well, guys, you're talking to the right person. 843-360-1737. I'm going to help you put your hands on the best deals in our market. If you're a first-time investor or a seasoned investor, if you're 1 year, 6 months, 3 years out, I don't care where you are in the investing process, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me an email, shoot me a text message, and let one of the many stories on our channel be one of your stories. All right, guys, now there are 2 different restaurants here on site at the Compass Cove Resort. We've got the Compass Rove, Compass Rose, which is just this way. That is where their big, gigantic slide is. I'll get to that in a minute. If you do rent off-site, your guests are not allowed to use it, but it didn't stop our featured unit here from obviously making bank. I don't know if, okay, we can kind of peek in through here, kind of see. This is called the Compass Rose. It is a breakfast place. It's open 7 through 11 a.m. Well, we can't really get in, but you can take a peek as you see there. Now, there is another restaurant on the 2nd floor, which we're going to get to in just a minute. I'm going to carry you around this way. You do have beach access right that way. I'm going to carry you around this way so that you can see kind of how the slides work. And again, your guest, technically, when you self-manage, can't use this slide. Yeah. You have to have a certain wristband to be able to use it. But I would imagine you probably could use this pool. Now, this is where they access it. As you can see here, it stairs all the way up, takes you inside the slide, and it takes you inside of here. Comes out here, as you can see, and then you have a cool lazy river, which I'll give you a nice little tour of. And, of course, a pool over off in the distance. Now, Gosha Cook, in her investor interview, dropped a nugget of truth on us. Guys, if your occupancy rate hits 85% for the year, your prices are too low. So you need to raise those prices. And that pretty much wraps it up for this pool here. There we go. Here we are. Now, I'm going to take you just out back so you can get a nice view of some of the other amenities. I believe you should invest in oceanfront condos in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, because you can enjoy and increase the passive income of your oceanfront condo through the 20 to 22 million tourists that visit the #2 vacation destination on the East Coast each year. Not only can you enjoy the equity paid for by visiting tourists, but you can also anticipate the over 100% appreciation experience at many of the oceanfront resorts in our market during the recent decade. I believe you should invest in oceanfront condos in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, because you can depreciate them, reducing your overall tax burden, keeping more money for you and your loved ones, and ensuring unnecessary taxes aren't paid. All right, you got snack machines just this way. As you can see, elevator that way, just in between these little corridors here. Ta-da. Snack machines here. Drink machines. Plenty of activities. Check this out. This place is expansive and massive. You got a tiki bar just out here. Lots of fun if you want to drink. You got a nice outdoor deck here. Absolutely stunning. Guys, that is the Compass Cove Resort. Yes, you are beachfront. I mean, this place is nice, man. Now, of course, it could be higher end. It could have better finishes, but it gets the job done for many families that want to vacation here. Those 20 to 22 million tourists. Now, you do have access through a gate just over this way, as you can see there. Those people just went through it. I'm going to take you this way. Showers here, beach access. Nice little cool place to sit out. I am going to take you this way. Battle through the gate. Give me a second. There we go. Plenty of places to lay out, as you can see. You've got a 1-foot kiddie pool here. You got a 3-foot relaxation pool here. Again, plenty of places to sit and lay out and get sun. And then you have another lazy river over here. Now it is October and it's already starting to warm up today. So I'm a little hot in this suit. There's a lazy river, as you can see. This here, as you can see. And it goes on even further, as you can see. Pretty cool place too. Tables, grills. You got showers, as you can see. And of course, plenty of places to lay out. Pools. And that's the other building there. Guys, that is Compass Cove, and it is all beachfront, and it is massive. Chairs to lay out in the sun, as you can see. Plenty of areas to lay out here. Now, I'm going to take us this way because I want you to see this very, very cool restaurant. It's open from 12 to 9 p.m. Look at the balcony. Super, super cool. We're going to get to it in just a second, guys, but I just want to show you that view. Not bad, not bad. Plenty of area to sit up here. It's kind of like a little rooftop spot, as you can see. And you come in this way. Check out this awesome little hidden gem in our market. Excellent restaurant. Cool little spot right here at the Compass Cove, hidden away on the second floor. They're open from 12 to 9 p.m. Little bar, pretty cool colors, lots of fun for friends and family on the beach, having a blast. You got restrooms over here, as you can see. but an excellent little spot to hang out. I believe you should invest in oceanfront condos in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, because this is the fastest growing area out of the 150 most populated areas in the entire United States for the last 3 years in a row, according to U.S. News and World Report. This helps to insulate our market from many of the ups and downs that the rest of our nation's real estate market experiences. This can help you have a more stable rental property. I believe you should invest in oceanfront condos in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, because they have a tremendous upside when compared to money market accounts and the stock market, due to the appreciation they earn and the potential of higher annual yields through their gross rental income when compared to these other investments. Money market accounts and the stock market don't have the upside of added appreciation. I believe you should invest in oceanfront condos in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, because while our prices have risen and have held their value, we're also much cheaper than other places like Florida. Where else can you go and find an oceanfront condo for as little as $100,000? If you're getting into the real estate game or expanding your current portfolio, the bang for your buck is sitting right on the Myrtle Beach, South Carolina oceanfront.